Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Hello. Okay, today we are going to be opening and trying on the makeup in my Eyescream beauty bag. This is a subscription that I get once a month from Eyescream Beauty. It is $12.50 a month. With shipping, it comes up to $6.50, and it usually has 3 or 4 items in it. It is definitely one of the better bargains out there. So I haven't seen what's in it yet. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what we've got, and then I will see if I can come up with a look. We will see. Okay, so these are the these are the items in the bag. It looks like we have 3 things this month. Thankfully, they come with a card. This is for January. Okay, first off, ooh, what is this? This looks water activated. Okay, I have some spray here. It is the, what is this? Magic Castle Cosmetics. I've never heard of them before. Multi-purpose water activated duochromes. Must add water to work. $28. Okay. Let's see if I can get this open. Oh, that was easy. How am I supposed to get water in there? They're so tiny. Okay, I sprayed it with some spray. Trying to see if I can get some swatches. Let's see if this one swatches better. I don't know. This is something very interesting. I've never had water activated pigments before. This is going to be interesting to try. Okay, let's see what else we have. We have from Beauty Creations. This is the Sweet Glow Highlighter for $12. It says use a brush and a light hand for a subtle highlighter color. Is that what it says? It's cute packaging right there. Let me see if I can open it up. Okay, there we go. I think. Okay, oh, this is cute. It's like a tin pan. Oh, look at that. Cute. We've got like a yellow highlighter, a pink, and a blue. So it's kind of powdery. Oh, look at that. Very cute. Okay. And that was $12. And then all of that bright stuff, and then we get a palette from Okolon that's kind of muted, actually. I don't know if all this is going to go together. This is the 16 color eyeshadow palette. That's all it's called. Okay, I need a minute to open this up. Okay, here it is. This is what it looks like. It has a lot of cute embossings in it, as you can see. Okay. It looks like there's some mattes and some satins in here. There's no names to any of the shades. Okay. I'm going to take a minute and see if I can come up with a look with this, and then I'll be right back and we will get started. Okay, be right back. Okay, I am going to probably go into this color, then this color here, probably this color down here, and this color here. We will see. And then I am going to try to put on this duochrome down here and see what happens. So we are, let's just pray for the best. Okay. Oh my, a lot of kick up here. We have yeah, I've been on a break for a week. I'll talk about it more next week when I do a get ready with me then. I don't know, y'all might have noticed, y'all might not have. But I didn't realize that I really needed one. So it was really nice. Okay, I think I'm gonna go into this little deeper shade here. I have a feeling, I don't know if these colors are gonna show up much. Okay, and I think that's a satin shade too. Okay, now I'm going to take that kind of, oh my, hello, where's the pigment? You guys, I'm just used to more pigments, but this is okay, this is fine. Sometimes you need palettes like this. I had gotten a free palette from Cara Beauty, and it had a lot of pretty colors in it, and they're very light colors, and it's a very beautiful palette. So sometimes it's nice to have those kind of palettes in your collection. Okay, I think I'll just stick to this brown color here. Add a little depth. Let's see if this blends well. Three. Three, two, one. Okay, that seems to blend okay. Not the best, but okay. All right, I am going to, should I? Yeah, I'm gonna cut the crease. I don't know if it's really gonna help, but I am going to do it anyway. Okay, we've got that accomplished. Now I am going to go in the middle of my eye with this color right here. Okay, now it's time to get crazy. Okay, I need to find a flat brush. Here's one. Okay, now I think I'm going to take that color right there and spray it. Okay, and try to take it on a brush. Is it not picking up on the brush? Yeah, it is. Can you see that? I can kind of see it. It's kind of subtle, but yeah, that's kind of what we're going for today, really. Okay, okay, here is the eye look with eyeliner and cleaned up. That is great. Okay, so I'm going to go off camera and put on the rest of my makeup, and then we will come back, finish off the eyes, put on some highlighter with this right here. I'm guessing I'm gonna use the pink highlighter today. Okay, all right, I will be right back. Okay, I've got my base makeup on. For eyeliner, I did use the Tarte Double Take Wig eyeliner. For mascara, I used the Milk Rise mascara. For my base, I used the Kosas Revealer Foundation along with the LA Girl Pro Color Foundation Mixing Pigment. For powder, I used the Laura Mercier translucent powder. For bronzer, I used the LYS and light. For blush, I used the Charlotte Blush by Benefit Cosmetics. For my lips, I used the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in BFF and the KVD Epic Kiss lipstick. Okay, let's work on the lower lash line. I am going to go back in. Do I want to use that color? Maybe I'll use this brown color. I don't like using rose colors or pink colors or anything like that underneath my eye because it makes me look kind of sick. Not in a good way. So I'll just use brown. And then we will buff it out some. could use those blues in that palette to have like a light blue look. That would be really pretty. Oh, I did spend my week off cleaning all my brushes. I just did a little at a time, so it took me all week long to clean my brushes, but they're all clean, so that's really nice. Okay, just take a sec. I want to put some mascara on my bottom lashes. Okay, all right, let me find my highlighter brush. Okay, and these actually have names. Okay, the yellow one is Sunday, the blue one is Cotton Candy, and the pink one is Cupcake. Okay, so we will try Cupcake, and oh, that's really cute. I love a pink highlighter. Okay. I like that. Oh my, does it smell? It does. It smells really good. It kind of smells like cotton candy. Wow, that's really cool. Okay, I do want to use that same pink shade as an inner corner highlight. And as a brow bone highlight. Cute. Okay, this is the final look. Well, tell me what you think down in the comments below. Did you get this ice cream bag, the beauty bag this month? Did you get the box? What did you think of it? Let me know everything. Let me close my eyes. This is the final look. Okay, so yeah. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Like I said, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Okay. All right. Let's see. All right. If you leave a thumbs up or a comment, it really helps to get my channel out there to other viewers like yourself. Hello, if you are new here. If you like lots of makeup videos, if you like subscription box unboxings like this, if you like some commentary, some cooking, some talking about mental health, then I would love it if you would hit subscribe, hit that notification bell set to all so that you're notified every time that I upload a new video. So, I hope y'all are having a wonderful, fantastic day today. If you're not, I hope something comes along and sparks your day so that you can have a wonderful, fantastic day today. If you're having an especially hard time, know that I am thinking about you and sending you out all those good vibes. Just remember to stay strong, stay healthy, and stay safe out there. And Erin and I will see you in another video tomorrow. Just stay well until then, okay? All right, thanks for watching and goodbye.